Warning. Please do not play with gas cans or any type of gasoline, propane, or highly flammable substances, or the containers. Containers shown are props that are clean, empty, and for entertainment purposes only.
Alright, I'm here. Who needs gas? Who needs gas? Who needs gas? Hurry, the cops are coming. Hey y'all, it's your girl JGC, so welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're already a subscriber. Welcome to Dance with JGC series. Today we're going to be learning a super fun dancehall move called Gas. Shout outs to Ding Dong and the whole Ravers Clavers dancers out in Jamaica. If you're ready to learn the Gas dancehall move, then stick around. Some of y'all like the look, the breakdown, so I'll break down the look a little bit. So this right here, these two pieces are a set together, and then the tights I had separately, and I just matched it up and created something. And these gloves I had for a long time as well. If you're ever curious, definitely check the description. I'll try to put links and things like that. And there's socks that says nothing is wrong. Bring in some trucks, some gas, okay? And then we got the Vans sneakers here with the platform. Very comfy and very cool. Gives, you know, a little bit of height. Alright, so there you have it. That's the look. If you've watched any of my other dance tutorials, I always suggest that we warm up, because it's super important for us to warm up our bodies, especially if we haven't moved like this before. It also helps to give range of motion, more flexibility, and to warm up our system, so we just feel good and feel pumped, like, let's do this. If you guys have a warm up already, by all means go ahead and do it. If you're already warmed up, great, you can fast forward. If you don't, then just follow along with me, and don't forget, have fun. So let's get into the warm up. Alright, so today we're going to learn the dancehall move called gas. It is a full body movement. It's very fun, it's energetic, and it goes like this. So I'm going to teach you the footwork, especially if the song is playing. There are specific moves done at specific times in the song. I want to teach you the first part of it. So it's going to go like this. The footwork is really like a little wider than shoulder width apart, tapping front. So I'm starting with my right foot because I'm right-handed. So right foot out and then back to the first position. Okay? So right foot tap in the front and then left foot tap in the front. So right foot tap in the front, then bring it back. Left foot tap in the front, bring it back. Okay? To the regular first position. So right tap, bring it back. Left tap, bring it back. Okay? So repeat that. Then you're kind of leaning your body back a little bit. Not too much, just a little bit. Okay? Here, 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 here. Okay? Also, my foot is not in front in the center. It's really just a little wider than shoulder width apart. Just stepping forward on that same line there. Bring it back. Left, bring it back. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. So the arms, you're going to be, when my right foot taps out, my arm's going to swing to the front and just do a clap, a light contact of a clap. Okay? So it's going to go clap. Okay? Clap. So when I clap, and then I bring my foot back, my elbows kind of swing back as well. Okay? So front here and drop. When I bring my foot back to regular position, my arms kind of swing back to get ready for the next side. Okay? Here, here. Okay? It's really front, then I'm clapping. I'm swinging my elbows forward to clap, and then when I bring my foot back, I drop it back, up, hitting the wall, but here, then left, forward, clap, drop. So right foot back, left foot back, and then my arms here. Okay, so it's a swinging motion like this. Okay, so when I lean back, it looks like this. Bring it front, clap, drop, clap, drop, clap, drop. Okay? Okay, so my body is leaning as well. When I bring my right foot to the front, my body is naturally just kind of leaning to the opposite side, to the left. Okay, then I clap, drop it, here, here. Okay, and the clapping doesn't have to be hard or anything, just light contact, guys. Okay, you could walk with it if you want, walk back with it. Okay, there are variations, slight variations to it. Just have fun with it. Like this part. Okay, so it's really, you can do it super low if you have okay knees. If not, you can kind of just have the same width, a little wider than shoulder width apart, and you just bop your head left to right, kind of like a dip. Okay, dip, dip. Okay, so it's like you're making a U with your head. Okay, just like a U, just a dip. Okay. So it's just like a dip. Okay, see, it's like a U down. Okay, and you just go from side to side. Okay, and you're kind of crouched over. Okay, crouched but not hunched. Just crouched over, just bend down a little bit. And you just 1, 2, like this. And your arms are just kind of like this. Palms facing the floor. Just out like this, and just by your side. You just go like this. Okay. You just go back and forth. Like that. Okay, so whatever stance you're comfortable with, you could do a little lower if you want, more dramatic, okay? You could do a little bit closer if you like, do a little cute, little you, okay? And when I do it, you know, your arms can kind of go like this naturally to give you more momentum, okay? You could do it super low here, okay? And you just bounce. You literally like bounce like your butt almost like on the back of your feet, like almost on like all your heels, okay? It's not exactly touching, but it's almost like that, okay? You bounce up. You can pause, dip, and like this. Okay, and come up. So as a dancer, you can stylize it if you like, but that's another part of it. Then there's another part of the song that's basically saying go on with the road. So you're just going, you know, from left to right, depending. Obviously, it looks better when there's, you know, a bunch of people around and you're going in the same direction. Okay, you can just run from right to left, left to right, whichever direction. You could go around if you want. That's the wild and fun part that you can just, you know, just do whatever you like, left to right. All right, and then yeah, so there's kind of like 3 elements to it, but you know, some people just end up doing the gas move with this, and I'm just doing that part. Yeah, so a lot of these moves go with the songs, so you know, you have to listen to the song and know which part to do it at, or you could do the moves for other songs as well. Let's just do a quick recap here. Okay, you could do this one. Here, you could do it low. Here, you could walk forward with it, you could walk back with it, and then you could do the go on with the road. Okay. There you have it, you guys. You just learned how to do the dancehall move called gas. Big ups to Ding Dong and the Ravers Clavers dancers out in Jamaica. Super talented. And Ding Dong's been doing his thing for so long. So big ups and shout outs. And I hope you guys had a fun time learning the gas dancehall move. I always have a great and fun time teaching you guys, so thank you so much. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to know when I upload a new video. And until then, I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you on the next one. It's your girl, JJC. Toodles.